November 22, 2025, officers are responding to a suspected fraud in progress at a car rental.
Stay here. Stay here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Did you come in that white Ford? We already know you came in that white Ford, right? Okay. Do you have any ID on you? Let me see this ID that's in your hand.
Okay.
Thank you.
What's going on?
Is your name? Keep it straight with me for 5 seconds here. Is your name?
No.
Okay.
I'm going to jail.
Well, let's talk about what's going on first. Okay? We don't have to.
Okay.
All right? The more cooperative you are, the better it is for everybody. Okay, does that make sense?
Please don't let me go to jail.
We only do 5 miles for our ride, so.
Do me a favor. Where are you coming from right now?
Chicago.
From Chicago?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to take a seat in? Or are you okay standing?
Okay.
Please go, please. Please.
Is this yours? Is this yours?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name? What's your name?
I need to go to jail.
What's your name? Okay. And you're out of the city?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please just let me know now if I'm going.
Well, like I said, let's talk first, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Who did you come here with?
I don't even know the guy's name.
You don't even know the guy's name?
No.
What do you call him?
Jack.
What?
Jack.
You call him Jack?
Did you catch that stutter? She starts off saying she doesn't even know the guy's name, and then 2 seconds later, it's Jack. This is the classic, "I'm just the middleman" defense we see in almost every fraud case. She's trying to distance herself from the crime immediately, but changing her story from "I don't know him" to "Jack" in the same breath is a massive red flag for these officers. If you're going to come up with a lie, you have to stick to it.
How did you meet Jack?
In the city.
Okay. Here, come on, son. I'll be right back, fellas. Okay, come up against this bush, so that way we're not talking in front of him, okay? Does that make sense? Let's hang out right here, okay? So, how did you meet Jack?
It was like maybe a week ago, and he was like, "Hey, you want to make some money?" And you know, I was,
Okay.
you know, and
What are you doing here today?
I was trying to get a rental car.
You were just trying to get a rental car?
Yeah.
Okay, for what purpose?
I don't know. It was
For who?
it was for Jack.
It was for Jack. How did you contact Jack?
He ran into me.
He ran into you?
Yeah, like I'm from like out west, you know.
Out west?
Yeah.
Okay, where are you from?
Originally, like the northwest suburbs. I've been living out west probably like 10 years.
10 years? Why did Jack need a rental car?
I don't know. Like I met him maybe a week ago. Not even.
Okay.
Please,
Where did you get this?
They gave it to me.
He gave it to you?
Yeah.
Tell me the events leading up to this, okay? So where did you meet Jack? Like where did you meet him today? Where did he pick you up?
We were. I think we went to the McDonald's out west. Yeah.
McDonald's where?
Me and my west from McDonald's.
What city?
Like the Austin area.
So he met you today, and then he hands you these two things.
Like I met him 2 other times. It was maybe a little over a week ago.
Okay.
Like a week and a half ago, and it seemed a little fishy. But I mean, I'm just trying to make some money. You know what I mean?
Did he say you were going to get money? Did he say you were going to get paid if you were to get a rental car?
Yeah.
Okay. He didn't say why he needed a rental car. Okay. When's the last time you were in trouble by the police?
Maybe about a year ago.
For what?
I was in the car with somebody who was stolen a car.
Was it a stolen car?
Yeah.
Where did that happen at?
Chicago.
Chicago? Okay. So you've never met, you don't even know his first name.
I don't even by Jack.
So
monitoring Slack, they're trying to
So
look for our car.
she only knows him by Jack. They met like 2 weeks ago or a week ago. And she just got picked up at that McDonald's in Austin.
So that name
Yeah.
booked through a reservation like 30 minutes ago, and the person who was actually them called me and said, hey, like something just got booked under my name and I didn't book a rental.
Dawn.
Yeah.
Dawn. Okay.
Yeah, and she said it happened to her yesterday in Virginia.
Interesting.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then she gave me her phone number, didn't match what was on file. When she came in, I asked her to verify her date of birth, which she knew from there, but the address and what I asked her address and phone number, she couldn't. She didn't even know what they were. So, and I put her in my fraud fighter, which we have up there, and Lincoln's hat is not in the right spot. So,
Okay.
and I called my risk team, like, what do you want me to do? They said call the cops. So,
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just grab you one real quick if you don't mind.
This is absolutely wild timing. The employee just confirmed that the actual victim called the store 30 minutes ago to report the fraud. Imagine the bad luck of walking into a rental place to run a scam right after the real person called to warn them. This employee deserves a raise for connecting the dots that fast. Most people would just process the transaction, but he was already on high alert. It's almost like the universe wanted her to get caught today.
yeah.
Here's the first one. So this happened to this chick, I guess, yesterday at a different enterprise in Virginia.
I'm not sure if it's the same person or not,
Okay.
but she just said she didn't say anything about like cops being involved or like actually like a fraud charge going through. She said like she ordered a credit card in the mail and it never arrived, so that credit card got stolen somehow. But she said she had a rental book in her name yesterday in Virginia, and then she noticed this one today, so she called me right away. I don't really know what
Do you
happened.
have
with rental.
her phone number for Carol? Can I write this down on a sticky note for you?
Yeah.
I'm fresh out of freaking pages.
Just write it out.
Yeah.
I can try to see. I don't know if you guys got it. I can pull up cameras maybe if you need like that license plate number. Anything with that, but I might be able to pull it up.
I don't know.
Just let me know.
So
That's good for 30
when we
days.
were, I didn't even see that there was a driver in there because when we pulled up, we were literally pulled in front of that car and I'm like, oh, there's nobody in there.
Yeah.
And then he ended up driving and taking off. So I don't think we need cameras for that. He didn't get out of the car, did he? Did no one else got out of the car?
No,
that
she was
you're
the only
aware
one that got out. She got out of the back seat, and then she came in. I was asking her some questions, and she went back to the car for a few minutes, and then came back inside.
Okay.
But yeah, I never saw anyone else get out of the car. So
of? Okay. So when she came in, she provided you with that ID. Did she use that credit card? Did she try to use that credit card? Didn't even
I
accept
already
it.
knew, so like I didn't
I mean,
ask
that's a
her
pretty
that
bad
yet,
fake
so.
ID, to be honest with you. So, all right, man. Cool. I'll call you if I need anything
I
else.
appreciate you guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yep.
He's taking me over too.
I mean, hang on. Got 17 different phone calls happening right now. Say that again? I don't know. Probably.
I love that he mentions the specific detail about Lincoln's hat on the ID. It just goes to show that you cannot fool people who look at IDs for a living. Scammers always think they have these perfect replicas, but there are tiny security features like the placement of a hat or the feel of the card that are dead giveaways. She walked in there confident, but her props were amateur hour, and that is exactly why she is in handcuffs right now.
I don't know. I don't know. Anything involving ID theft and everything else is, in credit card theft, whatever you want to call it, is a felony in Illinois, right? So, I mean, we have to call the state's attorney's office. We tell the state's attorney what we have, and then ultimately they're going to be the ones that are going to charge you. You have nothing in your pockets?
I have money in my bra, that's it.
Okay, money in your bra?
Can you help me?
Yeah, I can help you out. How much money's in your bra?
Like 100 and change.
100 and some change. There's no drugs in your bra. There's no drugs in your pants. There's nothing. Okay.
Unfortunately.
So let's break down what we just watched. This was a classic case of identity theft meeting a hyper-vigilant employee. The woman came in with a stolen identity and a fake ID to rent a car, likely to steal the vehicle or use it for other crimes. Her story about Jack from the McDonald's parking lot recruiting her for money is a tale as old as time, and the officers clearly didn't buy it for a second. The real hero here is the rental agent, who not only took the call from the victim earlier, but recognized the scammer the moment she walked in. He kept his cool, stalled her, and got the police there safely. As for the consequences, this isn't looking good for her. In Illinois, identity theft and credit card fraud are serious felonies. Since she admitted to doing this for money and possessed the fake documents, she is likely facing multiple felony counts. Given that she mentioned a prior record for being in a stolen car, the prosecutors are probably going to push for a stiffer sentence. She came in looking for a quick payout and left with a direct trip to the county jail.